Welcome to Record Classes. Simplify immutable data containers. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? Creating a class just to hold data requires writing many boilerplate methods. How do we simplify data containers? Boilerplate code is verbose. Manual =# hashcode is error-prone. Data classes are hard to read. Record classes automatically generate data holding classes with minimal code. How is record classes used in the real world? Data transfer. Immutable API response objects. Configuration objects. Store app settings immutably. Database results. Map query results to objects. Record classes powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So, what happens without record classes? Creating verbose classes just to hold immutable data. Look at how messy the code gets. Boilerplate code overload. Manual =# hashcode. No auto to string. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution: record classes. Look how clean the code is now. Auto generates getters. Auto generates to string. Immutable by default. Compare the difference. And that is why we use record classes. Let's see how to implement record classes in code. Here is the implementation. Define record. Declare immutable data class. Create instance. Instantiate with values. Access field. Use accessor method. Auto to string. Record provides to string. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What Java version introduced record classes? Which one is correct? The correct answer is records introduced as preview in Java 14, finalized in Java. What is automatically generated for records? Which one is correct? The correct answer is records auto-generate getters =# hashcode and tossed. Can records have additional instance fields? Which one is correct? The correct answer is records cannot have instance fields outside header. What's printed? Which one is correct? The correct answer is auto-generated = compares components. Here is a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.